Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So today I just wanted to do a little quick video finishing up the couple of things that were missing from my first Amazon haul. So this is going to be my Amazon nail haul part 2. It's only like a couple of things, but I figured, you know, why not? I forgot I did order a second set of these Unigella extra long straight nails, which I'm really glad about because they look really promising. Then I was waiting for this Mermaid peel off base coat, which I'm really excited to try. So we have that. And then I did try this morning this Mermaid nail glue remover on my one hand, which seemed like some of my press-ons were lifting more, so I still have my old set on this hand because they don't really seem like they want to go anywhere. So I tried this on this hand. It worked pretty good, but of course I always do something, and I ripped a tiny bit of my like top layer of nail off, which I'm really annoyed about because my nails were looking better. So that's just a little update on that. And when I was reading the directions of that nail glue remover, I got a little discouraged because it said it was only for like regular nail glue, which I thought it was for UV gels, and it says it might work on some. So then I picked up this O'Hara Pro Easy Peel Remover, which is in a really beautiful box. This is supposed to remove gels. How do I even open this? So I wanted to have this for the purpose of, you know, removing a peel off base. So, oh wow, this is really nice. So it's a 1.69 fluid bottle. It has really nice writing, and it comes with a dropper top. So I'm super excited about that. It is glass, which you can't tell. So yes, I got that. Then, as I said, I was waiting for these Model 1 gel polishes. It doesn't even say what they were, but I'm pretty sure they were like called Mermaid Aura polishes or something like that. So this is them. You get 6 of them. They are tiny, which I didn't realize, but it's okay. They're only 7ml bottles. I did swatch them already because I couldn't wait, so I'll show you what the swatches look like. I honestly think I'm going to use these next. So, let's see. They're really pretty. So this one's like green shift. This one's like blue, greeny pink. This one's like pearl pink. This one's like purple pink. These are more pink. They're very pretty. I only did 1 coat, so I could just imagine what 2 coats would look like. So I'm super excited to use these in a set because I think they just look really pretty, like just some simple nails, which is what I think I'm gonna go for next. That's those. And lastly, I've been wanting these for so long. These are the Elli rubber base coats. I was looking, I really wanted to get like a white, milky white rubber base coat, and these are HEMA free. I've never tried this brand before, but I'm super excited to try them out. Yeah, I've just been like, oh, that's really pretty. I hope you guys can see. It's very bright near the window that I'm filming at right now. And these are 10 milliliter bottles, and they're pink, which I love. So obviously you get 6 of them. Beautiful. This is mainly what I got it for, but I'm gonna definitely use them all. So I just quickly wanted to pop in and show you guys these couple of things that I didn't get to put in my first haul, so this is probably just going to be a quick video, but that's okay. Oh, that's so pretty, that pink. I can't wait to try these, and of course now I ripped a part of my nail off. It's not as bad as I'm making it sound, but if you've done that before, please let me know. Did you like not put gel on it while it heals, or like whatever, just give me some pointers. And if you're not subscribed and you like hauls, I would definitely recommend you subscribe, because I'm going to have a pretty big Shein haul coming up, and like a 3-part Temu haul, so get excited for that, guys. These are really nice. So yeah, that's the stuff that I got. And quickly, here are my new nail polish racks. I am in love with them. I got them off of Amazon. They were in an 8-pack. And they're really, really good. I left a space open for now for something I want to put there. Honestly, I think I'm gonna need 2 more, possibly, but that's what we're looking like. And my new chair, which is so much better than my gigantic, ridiculous dining room chair that I was using. So I just wanted to show you that little update to my room. Very, very nice. I'm highly pleased with these. Yes. And like I said, you should definitely subscribe if you like hauls, because I'm going to be filming a nice size Shein haul. And I got my first, I want to show you my address, my first Temu package out of the 3. I've never gotten a bag this big from there before. This has so much stuff in it, so definitely, if you love those types of videos, if you like affordable nail products, definitely subscribe, and maybe think about giving this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And again, I love you all so much. I just wanted to pop back in and show you that. From Amazon for the 2nd time. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.